Hi everybody, welcome back to my Satsman tutorial videos. This one is about how you simply complete your daily missions. This really is so easy to do, and if you can just get yourself in the habit of doing it, this is where the real rewards begin inside Satsman. Now, quick reminder, I'm an independent affiliate for Satsman.com. These are not official Satsman videos. They're just me showing you exactly how this works. This, I think, is easily misunderstood and confused with work. As a free member, the effort, if there is any effort involved in this, comes down to actually watching 40 seconds of advertisement with each of the missions you do. Now, if you don't like the ads, by the way, you can upgrade. You don't have to see the ads at all. That's fine, but there's no pressure here to upgrade. You can stay as a free member forever. So let's move on. You've been through the mission briefing, and now you're ready to actually start earning your daily Bitcoin. Again, let me apologize if it seems distracting to you that I keep looking down there. That's where my notes are, and I'm getting on a bit. I need to see my notes, otherwise I'll forget something important. If you're smart, this is what you'll be doing every single day, because for this relatively short period of time that it takes you, you're going to be stacking Bitcoin for your future. Now, if you go Pro or Pro Max, this will literally take you 60 seconds because you take the ads out of the equation. So it's click, click, boom, you're done. It's that simple. So you can see the missions here on screen, and if I just scroll down a little bit, you'll see them more clearly. You'll see there's something called Orange Pill Poll, then there's Bitcoin Fact of the Day, and then there's Sats Price Discovery. The format at the moment is pretty much going to be the same each day, and there is absolutely nothing complicated about this. So let me just get stuck straight in. Let's do mission 1, the Orange Pill Poll. Click on that. Now you can see that the question today is what will trigger the next bull run. Now this is going to change obviously each day, but this is just asking for your opinion. So if you think, for example, that it's global economic crisis, then you tick that. I'm going to go with that one, and then click to cast your vote. Vote cast, that's it. Click on complete mission. This box pops up because I'm on the free level here, and you can see this little clock ticking down. When that ticks down to 0 seconds, you can just get on to the next mission. And you can see here that watching this ad gives you 7 Satoshis. This is important to understand because this isn't here to annoy you. This is how Satsman.com is funded. This is how you can pick up this Bitcoin each day for free, because advertisers, they are paying the site to advertise, because as far as they're concerned, you are someone interested in Bitcoin. Therefore, you are potentially someone who's going to be interested in their service. So it's a good place for them to put their ads. Now I'm talking, of course, and it's gone well past the point where you need to stay on that section. So if we click here, we've completed that mission, as that will show you in a moment. And there it is, completed. So now we just click on the second one, Bitcoin Fact of the Day, and it's saying, here's today's Bitcoin fact. Bitcoin's blockchain is a public ledger that anyone can view and verify. Now that is the answer that you're looking for. So down here you'll see 4 potential answers. We want public ledger. Click that. And don't forget, this will be a different fact each day. Complete mission, and again you'll see that the ad is running and the clock is ticking down. Hum to yourself or make a cup of tea. I don't think you can make a cup of tea in 40 seconds, but you never know. Just amuse yourself for 40 seconds while this goes through. It's no real hardship, as you can see. And when that clicks down to 0, that will be another 7 Satoshis in your wallet. And there we go. So claim, Click there, and now it will complete that mission for you, and then you move on to the third one of the day. So there's confirmation that that one's completed, and we click on the third one, which is Satoshi price discovery. Click on start. Now you'll see here this one has an extra button which is called show sats calculator, and quite simply what they're asking here is, what is a video game which costs $70 US? How many sats is this worth? So basically, how many satoshis today in real live price terms is $70? And if we click this, the calculator, put $70 in the box there, it gives you the answer, 77,121 satoshis right now based on the Bitcoin price. And the closest one is 77,109. Obviously Bitcoin price is just moving. So we click that, complete mission. It will kick off the last 40 seconds of advertisements, and you see the clock's ticking on that. Now I've got to tell you, it takes a lot longer to actually talk you through how it works than to actually do it. And as a Pro Max member myself, I don't have these ads. I don't have to sit through these 40-second delays after each section. So I just literally click on the mission, click on the answer, and move on to the next one. And it literally takes 60 seconds. Obviously, this is going to depend a little bit on how good your internet connection is as to exactly how fast it is. But if you've got a really quick internet connection, I don't know, maybe it take you 40, 50 seconds as a Pro or Pro Max user to 2.5 minutes as a free member. I've been talking, and while I've been talking, that claim 7 sats button's come up, so click that. So you can see confirmation that's completed. So let's just recap those important points. I've just completed all 3 daily missions in front of you, and I've earned 21 satoshis. I would earn 42 satoshis if I was a Pro member, and 63 satoshis if I was a Pro Max member for doing that. So here's what you really need to know. Do this every single day. Consistency is the key to Satsman. The more days in a row you complete your missions, the bigger your streak bonuses get. Streak bonuses, let me tell you, will build your Satoshi collection hugely. And if you're also sharing this with your friends, the combination of streak bonuses and Satoshis for sharing will build your wallet very, very quickly. Technically, you could say you're learning while earning here. These aren't random questions. They're teaching you about Bitcoin economics and sound money principles. Share your link, because what you're doing here is you are accumulating something for the future. Share it with everybody. That's it. That's the daily routine on Satsman. Complete 3 simple missions, earn your Satoshis, build your streak, and stack Bitcoin for your future. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.